is a quick video on our carpet kit. This is just an option. All of our campers come standard with linoleum floor. This is our silver spur interior, dark gray, light gray cabinetry, so we use a gray linoleum floor. There's a couple of shadows in here, so it might look a little different. Our wood grain interior campers are standard, and they come with a tan linoleum floor. You'll see that in a lot of the pictures. The carpet kit option we offer is very simple. It doesn't replace the linoleum floor. It's just a secondary kit. So when you're out in the backcountry, it's dirty and dusty and gravelly, it's nice to have a pre-cut, pre-sized, edge-banded piece of carpet in there, softer on your feet, traps all the dirt. You can pull it out, sweep it, dust it off, throw it back in there. So nothing fancy, but a nice upgrade if you want something nicer than the linoleum.